Today we enter the Cenozoic Era, and we leave the dinosaurs only to discover that, geez, we have to do with mammals. Welcome to the Paleogene period. It used to be known as the Tertiary period, but they've broken the Tertiary period up into the Paleogene and the Neogene. At this point, the Earth's continents sort of look like the way they're going to look in the modern day. We still have birds, we still have crocodiles, but we're going to get lots of mammals. Mammals are going to dominate the planet. They're going to emerge from smaller roles and take over the much bigger roles that the dinosaurs had occupied when they were alive. Mammals are known for having hair. Mammals are known for giving birth live, for the most part, and also feeding milk to their young. And once the reptiles had disappeared, now there's all sorts of things that mammals can do. So sea reptiles disappear, mammals become whales. Mammals become horses, they become camels, they become lemurs. There's lots of different roles that mammals are going to grow into. And one of the best examples of how mammals developed during this period is the horse. The horse started off as a small creature, no bigger than a dog, and slowly over time grew larger, and its toes grew smaller until eventually horses only had a single hoof for speed on the plains. Another odd development is the camel. Camels are actually from North America, but you won't find them there today because they were killed off at the end of the Ice Age. Instead, you'll find camels in South America and Asia, where they migrated to courtesy of land bridges and things. And the Neogene period, the early age of mammals, ended fairly recently, okay, just 2.5 million years ago, with the arrival of glaciers. And glaciers form what we call the Ice Age, and they grew, they covered much of the polar regions, but every now and then they would recede, and then they would grow again. So you have this Ice Age cycle. And so during this time, things that were big and hairy tended to have the advantage. And so we see woolly mammoths, woolly rhinoceroses. And for all you George R.R. Martin fans, we have dire wolves. We had dire wolves until 10,000 years ago. Earth undergoes another major extinction event within its mammal population about 10,000 years ago. So a lot of the large furry creatures disappear. The Ice Age climate goes into another interglacial period, and a smaller omnivore begins to take over. So this is the summary of the Cenozoic period. Again, we're not having nearly as much fun as when we were dealing with dinosaurs. But now we get to deal with man. So we're going to be looking at primates. We're going to be looking at early hominids.